Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the ultrastructure of the bacterial cell. As we all know, bacteria is a prokaryotic and unicellular organism. Here in this image, you can see that how bacterial cells appear. Here you can see they are made up of the capsule, cell wall, plasma membrane, mesosomes, cytoplasm, nucleoid, flagella, plasmid, inclusion, polyribosome and the pilus. These are the very unique features of the bacteria. They are unicellular prokaryotic cell. They are present in different shape, size and arrangement. The cell lack nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. In this cell, we cannot found any type of organelles, and because of that, these are differentiating from the eukaryotic organisms. Bacterial DNA, it is found in the cytoplasm and not packaged to form chromatin as in eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, the nuclear membrane it is present, but here the nuclear membrane it is totally absent. Bacterial cell is a 10 times smaller than the human cell. The diameter of the bacterial cell is less than 1 micrometer. The outer covering of the bacterial cell, it is made up of the peptidoglycan and it is called as the cell wall, which is very rigid and provide the structural integrity, and it is also protecting the cells from the other sources. The bacterial cell wall, it is made up of murein, which is also called as the peptidoglycan. Different shapes of bacterial cells are the characteristic feature of the bacterial species. Bacterial cells may contain external appendages like the flagella and the pilus. They may get attachment to the host by using this pilus and the flagellum. Bacteria can be photoautotrophs, chemoautotrophs or the parasites. The shapes of the bacteria is the most distinguished property of the bacteria. Why? It is the characteristic property. Why it is called as the characteristic property? Because by using or by seeing visible this morphology, we can distinguish the bacteria from the other bacteria, and also we can decide the pathogenicity of the particular bacteria. Morphological traits of bacterial cells are an important factor in the adaptability and the evolution. There are many features like motility, mode of nutrition. They are affected by the shapes of bacteria. Another one more important part of the bacteria, it is the cell wall content. The peptidoglycan, it is given one type of protection to the cell, which is a polymer of the sugars, and it is known as like the NAG, N-acetyl glucosamine, and NAM, N-acetyl muramic acid, amino acid peptide chain. The peptidoglycan made up of these two alternating sugars, and change in configuration of the polymer and its thickness is responsible for the varied morphology and the shapes of bacterial cells. In my next lecture, we will learn about the shapes of bacteria. The basic shapes of bacteria are the cocci, means spherical, bacilli, means rod-shaped bacteria, spiral, which is also called as the spirochetes, and the last one, it is the vibrio, like the comma shape. So these are the basic 4 types of the shapes of the bacteria. Thank you.